cold outside, Sophie. Hey, Sophie. Sophie, you're not cold? What do you think, Sophie? Yan. Yung pusa namin. Good morning, you guys. So right now, andito kami sa labas ni Sophie. Ang lamig. Ha? Hmm? Help me. Help me harvesting this lemongrass. Ito guys, ang pinakalas. Sobrang lamig na yun guys. I think 32 degrees. Malapit na maubos na yung damo. So, balik na ako you guys sa loob kasi andin na. Wala akong... So, I'm going back inside, Sophie. Yay!
Out for $150 in your yard. You can pay for it.
Continue straight, then use the right two lanes to take exit 139E to merge onto I-630. Continue straight, then use the right two lanes to take exit 139B to merge onto I-630. In 2 miles, take exit 3A onto Woodrow Street.
Why is it telling me to get off on Woodrow Street instead of University?
No, we're not going to that university. I think
University is the street that Chim's is on. I hit this.
What?
Oh, I think that's a baby tree. That's not natural at all.
I know. Oh, look at that, honey. How pretty. Baby. Oh, do you stretch here? Hello you guys, good morning. So, pagdating ko sa bahay you guys, nag-decide ako na i-check ko yung laundry kasi naiwan ko pala yung nilaundry ko kahapon. Mga lang yun, towel. So, medyo mahina yung boses ko you guys kasi tulog pa sila. Then, right now is 6:32. Nagluto ako ng maso, nasa package na siya. Ito, sabaw lang siya you guys kasi gusto ng anak ko na may sabaw. Yan. Para makakain before siya pumunta ng school. Madalas kasi you guys, doon siya kumakain ng breakfast, lunch sa school. Kaso lang, sometimes, gusto ko din siya kumain dito sa bahay. Kailangan ko talagang maligo you guys kasi dumi ng buhok ko. Galing talaga ako ng trabaho. Tapos medyo na malamig sa labas, mga 52 or 54 degree. So, nagsimula na yung lamig dito. Maingay yung laundry. So, pagkatapos ng maluto yung muscle, ito yun. Bigay ng friend ko ang alugbati you guys. Yan. Iba yung green alugbati na Asian style kasi masarap yung amoy niya. Ewan ko, iba yung amoy. Then kagabi, nag-bake yung anak ko. Ito yung binibake niyo guys. It's a cookies. So yan, sabi niya, do not touch it kasi may pagbibigyan siya niyan. So yan, dyan ko na lang siya ilagay. Tapos lang siya, magluto lang ako. Then gigisingin ko siya mamaya. And ito, may binili ako na papaya. So for my husband and my daughter to try. So iwan ko kung anong gawin ko nitong mga kamatis kasi siya, green, hindi ko alam ang dami. Bigay din ng friend ko. So hindi ko alam. So we'll see. Gising na yung junakis ko. So ilulunod ko lang to tapos maghanda ako ng rice. So I see you guys in a bit. So guys, ito yung nabili ko sa mall. This sunscreen Shalcido. I really like this scent and the way it feels to my skin you guys kasi siya parang lightweight lang yung niya. Then also that it's freebie yung sample yung inside. So tingnan natin. This is for normal, dry, and very dry skin, which is I really like it because my skin is very dry. So that's one of the sample. And then the next one is this power infusing concentrate So I believe this is kind of serum, and this is wrinkle soothing cream, or it says this one it's face cream, and this is eye mask, cleansing foam. So this is a cleansing one, and this is the eye cream. Very nice because, for example, like this, the face cream, even though this is the smallest one, but it can be used for a month. The inside is just like this, look like this. Ito yung sunscreen, na-open ko na siya. So ito yung bottle, you guys, $49 plus tax, something over 50. Anyway, I really like this, so yeah, I'm excited. And I will be using this one for my face because you can see the container, is small, not really big one, but I like to use this one for my face, you know. I really wanting this, and I heard the good things about this sunscreen. And sunscreen is very important, even that, you know, winter season coming up. But you know, when you're working, then you sweat a lot, sweating, or you're exposed also with heat area or hot area. So this is the good one. And yeah, one of my products of skincare that I cannot live without